Scope Management Plan. A project scope can make or break any project. A project scope can easily go off track if we do not keep an eye on it. Project managers can define and map their project using a scope management plan so that the project remains within the planned scope. A scope management plan helps project managers allocate resources in such a manner that the project can finish on time, within budget, and with the quality expected by the stakeholders. Projects rarely progress exactly as it was defined in the project plan. In most cases, project managers will need to adjust the schedule, budget, and quality specifications. Scope of any project may change over time. Sometimes changes can be brought by factors outside the project team's control. In other cases, changes may be caused by internal factors. Sometimes changes can be half-baked, and accepting these changes can lead to extensive scope creep. Scope creep happens when changes are made to the project scope without any control procedure. Every change in project scope should go through an approval procedure. Relevant stakeholders with authority should approve any required changes. Otherwise, the project will experience scope creep. Scope creep usually starts with minor changes or one aspect of the project. Eventually, it may involve more changes to the project's ongoing requirements or increased activities. What we need to prevent scope creep is managed and controlled change on the project. For that, the project manager will need a change management plan. The change management plan will define the procedures that must be followed when the project scope needs to be changed. An important component of change management plan is to introduce changelog template. A changelog template is a document that captures change as it happens and tracks those changes throughout the project lifecycle. A project manager can customize and develop a changelog templates depending on the nature and requirements of the project.